Scared of dragonflies. Just watch. Watch how scared she is. She gonna jump. Watch this. Cause they don't bother you. Just walk by them.
Nigga, that thought was right at my face. Like, no respect at all for humans.
It's a bug.
Okay?
I don't think bugs learn how to have respect.
They better learn when they want to
I can't wait to show Larisha this.
That ain't no bug. That's a mini alien. That's why I'm walking in the street. Y'all grass is contaminated.
Get out the street. I walk close to the curb now. Buzz over there.
Oh, Jesus.
What a scaredy cat. And she talking about she want to lay down south.
No, this is as far as I'm going. Oh.
Look at this.
Oh,
Larisha, I can't wait to see this.
These are too big.
And Aisha, this is crazy.
Oh my.
Scaredy cat.
These things are humongous. And they like don't care. They just walk right in front of you.
Scaredy cat.